Assalamualaikum and good day to Madam and everyone. My name is Hazwaliza Zailani from class BA 2722G. Today, I would like to present my assignment entitled Salient Sharia Issues in the Contemporary Application of Istisna in Maybank Islamic. First, I will explain the introduction of Istisna. By al-Istisna is an Islamic financing contract used for manufacturing and construction projects. Under this contract, a manufacturer or contractor agrees to produce an asset according to the specification requested by the customer and deliver it at a future date. Payment can be made in advance by installments or even completion. There are two types of istisna, namely ordinary istisna and parallel istisna. Ordinary istisna involves a direct agreement between the customers and the manufacturer. In contrast, parallel istisna involves an Islamic bank as an intermediary. Maybank Islamic applies parallel istisna in financing construction, infrastructure, and manufacturing projects. Next, I will discuss the first Sharia issue, which is the conflict of interest in dual agency or the principal agent problem. In istisna financing, Maybank Islamic may act in multiple roles within the same transaction. The bank can act as the financer, seller, and agent. This situation may create a conflict of interest because of the bank may prioritize its own commercial interest over the interest of the customer. For example, the bank may have access to detailed information regarding manufacturing costs and profit margins that are not fully known by customers. This information asymmetry can lead to concerns regarding fairness and transparency. In addition, the bank may have a significant control over the contractor selection, payment schedules, and project monitoring, which may create unfair advantage and reduce customers' confidence. The second Sharia issue is uncertainty or gharar. Gharar refers to uncertainty, ambiguity, or lack of clarity in contractual matters. In istisna, the asset does not yet exist when the contract is signed. Therefore, customer must rely on the information provided by the bank regarding specifications, progress, and delivery. Furthermore, uncertainty may arise due to project delays, changes in a design specification, or unexpected construction issues. If these changes are not communicated properly, customers may receive an asset that differs from what was originally agreed upon. As a result, disputes, dissatisfaction, and uncertainty regarding delivery and payment obligation may happen. To address these issues, Maybank Islamic should ensure full disclosure and transparency throughout the transaction process. All important information, including asset prices, contractual terms, delivery schedules, and payment arrangements, should be clearly disclosed to customers. Customers should also provide consent before the bank acts as their agent. Through comprehensive disclosure, the risk of conflicts of interest and gharar can be reduced while maintaining accountability and trust between both parties. My recommendation is for Maybank Islamic to provide regular Sharia training programs for employees involved in istisna financing. The training should focus on agency principles, disclosure requirements, and methods to avoid conflicts of interest and uncertainty. Well-trained employees will be better equipped to comply with Sharia requirements and communicate accurate information to customers. This can improve operational efficiency and strengthen Sharia compliance within the organization. In conclusion, istisna plays an important role in Islamic financing, especially for construction and manufacturing projects. However, its implementation may give rise to Sharia issues such as a principal agent conflict and a gharar. Therefore, Islamic banks should ensure transparency, proper contract management, and strong Sharia governance to maintain compliance and customers' confidence.